will be doing a makeup look because it's been a while that I haven't done any of, makeup look. And since I have, new makeup products that I could use, so I decided that I will just make a makeup look. I have here my new makeup brush set. I got this my birthday present from one of my friends, and yeah, so I will be trying this makeup brush. And also what I like about this, guys, is the brush handle is a magnet. And look at this brush over here. See, you could just stick that there. Yeah, so I kind of like the stand where I can put the makeup brushes, makeup brush. She also gave me this for, my birthday present, this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. So I will be using this palette for this makeup look. So I will be starting, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. Yay, I'm excited to do this look. This is my before, and let's start. forever. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you do, just leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.